In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record CIS deductions in Xero 5 minutes. We'll walk through setting up your subcontractor as a contact, choosing the right default purchase settings so CIS is applied consistently, and then creating and approving a bill so the deduction is recorded correctly. I'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll point out a few quick tips so you avoid common mistakes. Start by opening Xero and signing in with your usual login details. Once you're in, head to your dashboard so you can access everything from a central place. From here, open the contacts area and switch to suppliers. This is where you'll add a new subcontractor that's paid under CIS. Click New Contact and enter the subcontractor's details. Include the legal name, any reference you use internally, and the email address you'll send bills or remittances to. The key part is in the purchase settings. Set the default purchase account to the CIS subcontractor account. This tells Xero to treat purchases from this supplier as CIS applicable by default, which helps ensure the deduction flows to the right ledgers later. If your organization has specific tax settings or tracking categories, you can set those defaults here as well, so you don't have to repeat them on every bill. When you're done, save and close. Back on the dashboard, create a new bill. Choose the subcontractor you just set up, enter the bill date, due date, and the reference shown on the invoice you've received. Add the line details, a clear description of the work, the quantity or hours if applicable, and the price. Because you've set the contact's purchase settings to the CIS subcontractor account, your line coding should default correctly. If your chart of accounts requires a different expense category for this item, select the appropriate one for your records. In this guide, the bill is coded to a superannuation expense account, but use the expense account that aligns with your organization's policy and how you report CIS labor. Before you approve, double-check that the amounts and coding are correct and that the contact is indeed marked as a CIS subcontractor. Approving the bill will post it to your payables. When you later pay the subcontractor, you'll pay the net amount after the CIS deduction, and the deduction itself will be recorded against your CIS accounts for reporting. That's it. You've logged in, set up the subcontractor, created the bill, coded it correctly, and approved it, so the CIS deduction is captured. Thanks for watching, and keep your CIS records tidy by using those default settings to save time and reduce errors.